guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's I here, and for today's video, I'll be doing another DIY for you guys. It is going to be the fitted sheet for the crib mattress kasi wala pa ako actually nabibili na cover para sa kanya. So, I'm just planning to DIY and bumili na lang ako ng mga tela ganyan. But this is the only tela that I have which is long enough. It is 3 yards. So, etong gagamitin natin. It's kind of old orange. Medyo see-through yung peg niya kasi Cambria cotton yata yung tawag nila dito. So, yeah. I think I have enough kasi yung measurement ng ating mattress is standard size which is 44 by 68 inches lang siya. So, yung 3 yards ko magkakasya. I still have enough to cover this one. This is the changing mat. So, para may partner tayo na kakulay niya, of course, para hindi naman boring yung ating nursery. So, yeah, I'm just planning to do hand sewing, guys. Kaya ang kakailanganin natin will be tape measure or measuring tape. Gagamit din tayo ng elastic. This one, I don't have any exact measurement kasi, di ba, underneath lang naman yun. Ihilain naman siya natin ng bonggang-bongga. So, yeah, kakailanganin natin ng elastic. And also, of course, scissors. Hindi yan mawawala. Then, magtatahi tayo gamit ang kamay. So, needle, thread, and pins to keep them in place. Yun lang. So, yeah. Let's start.
Mattress.